everybody. Part 2 of M&M's coffee flavored. I didn't like them the first time. If you haven't watched that, you should go watch it now. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh no.
Restart.
No, keep going.
No! Gosh dang it. This is going to be on the internet. Okay. Here we go, chat.
Oh, he's gonna throw up.
No. Yes, eating.
What? I could not see that.
0 out of 10.
What?
Pumpkin spice latte is better. I like only the top part. Yeah. So 0, and I mean 0 out of 10 for part 2. G-U-S, yeah.
Eat another one. Swallow it this time. Sit down. No one can see you. Maybe do 2 at once.
Okay, now what can I do my thumbnail?
You still going?
Turn off your finger.
Turn off your taster. Send it down the hatch. Send it down the hatch.
Can't. Too chewy.
Oh, come.
You want to taste one? Tastes like coffee.
No. I'd probably give it a 5 out of 10. It was better. G-U-S, yeah.